Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that last module just as much as I did. It's one of my favorites, using the herd to your advantage. Now, let's have a little fun with ourselves and talk about our money personality. Yeah, we have a money personality, and many times it's complex and twisted. Mostly because at the end of the day, most of us have learned our money behaviors from our parents. Ugh, yeah, I know. So let's talk about some of the more popular money personalities and how sometimes they may act and influence our money-making decisions. There are many money personalities, and in most cases, we're a mix of a couple of these personalities, with one or two being more dominant and others in the background. If you visit our website and go to the resources page, you'll get to look over our shoulder on everything that we know about money personalities, as well as the ability to take a test that will help you zoom in on your money personality traits and find ways to leverage it for your benefit. One of the more popular money personalities is what we call Sarah the Saver. Now, Sarah Saver, she's a lot like my grandmother on my mother's side, who was not much of an investor or a risk taker. In fact, she was quite scared of investing, and saving money was more of a thrill to Sarah Saver than winning through investing. The Sarah Savers out there, their priority is not to lose money. And the mantra of slow and steady is what keeps them moving forward. Sarah Savers are going to be more interested in reaching their goals by saving money or clipping coupons. If this speaks to you, then you may find that as a Sarah Saver, that risk is something that's hard to embrace. And so the ways that you would want to leverage that is through education, because Sarah Savers tend to do very well as they get educated and increase their confidence. So if you happen to be a Sarah Saver that's concerned about losing and likes to achieve their goals by saving, education is going to be a real key component to your growth. Now let's talk about Arthur the Avoider. Arthur the Avoider, he's one of my favorite people because coming from behind is a thrill to Arthur. That's what he's built to do. And really, it all stems through this fear of not making a mistake. Typically, Arthur the Avoider is fearful of looking stupid or making a mistake. And also, more importantly, being good tends to be their mantra. They want to be good people, which is very honorable, but like Sarah the Saver, the Arthurs will benefit dramatically through education because a lot of that education will add to their confidence. And as confidence builds, then those concerns of making a mistake or those concerns of not being a good person, they should subside. So, for both Sarah the Saver and Arthur the Avoider, one of the big leverage points is education. In addition to that, Arthur the Avoider may be somebody who does better with an advisor that helps them stay on track with their goals, or possibly even a financial coach that could help. Enough with Arthur. Let's talk about Purposeful PAM. Purposeful PAM, freedom and empathy is the thrill. She wants to be free, and she's very empathetic with what's going on in the world. And so she likes to see her investments aligned with doing good because that's the priority. And doing right is the mantra. One of the weaknesses a Purposeful PAM can fall into is getting hung up on their ethics or ethos. And here again, education becomes an important point, and a good advisor can be extra important to a Purposeful PAM for the added research she may need to feel confident her investing is in line with her beliefs. And the fourth personality that we're going to talk about is Mr. Big. For Mr. Big, risk is the thrill. For Mr. Big, finding opportunities is the priority, and never, never stop is the mantra. Mr. Big, he's that guy who's always quick with money, always was in the right place at the right time, and has all the new stuff. The risk that Mr. Big should be concerned with is that they tend to be the ones that are most affected by FOMO. So the Mr. Bigs tend to do very good at remembering the denial panic continuum that we shared with you and using the herd to your advantage, and living by the mantra of being greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. Well, that is 4 of the more popular money personality, and as mentioned before, most of the time we're a blend of a few of these personalities. And I can't emphasize enough how you should visit our website to learn more about money personalities and take a test to find out which money personality may be influencing your money decisions. It's a lot of fun and you'll definitely enjoy it. Well, this concludes our first module, and I hope you got a lot out of using the herd to your advantage and leveraging your money personality. Next, in Module 2, we're going to show you how smart guy investors manage their emotions and expectations by getting ultra clear on the time frame and risk tolerance of each of their investments, so they avoid emotional decision making that is so often the cause of buying and selling at the wrong times. It's a must-see on your path to being a smart guy investor.